Hiya, welcome to my mini kit, and you should have these shapes and these coloured icings, and you've got the cocktail stick. So the first thing you'll need to do after you've massaged the bag is you'll need to just give it a little snip. So the only thing not in your kit is a pair of scissors, plus maybe paper towels, a good idea, some kitchen roll. So I'm going to work first of all on this cute bunny shape, I think. And lifting the bag, I'm going to go all the way around the edge, like that. And after I've done that, I'm going to squeeze the bag a little bit harder to fill it in. And the cocktail stick will be just for filling in any gaps. Be careful not to over flood your shape, but also you need to get enough in there for it to look fun. So with your cocktail stick, just fill in those little gaps. And then with this bunny face, I'm going to just fill in its ears so it looks quite cute. Just going to add a little bit of detail on the inside of each ear. There we go. Try not to add too much so it doesn't all flood off the edge, but also I do want it to look fun. So I'm going to let this shape dry for a bit. You can either leave it to one side or you could put it in the oven on the lowest setting, about 50 degrees centigrade. And we're going to let that dry and do something very similar for these cute little sheep. So again, I'm going to outline it. I'm going to fill in the face. And then I'm going to fill in the ears with a little bit of pink. You can just see my hand going up and down. Sorry about that. Let's see, let's make these ears just a little bit. There we go. A little bit bigger. Leaving just enough space there for the pink. Just make sure you clean the cocktail stick between goes. There we go. Just enough room here to put in a little bit of pink for the ear. There we go. And I thought today I would actually, this is sort of like the bunny, the back of the bunny. I thought I would actually outline it pink this time. So here we go. And then do a really cute little tail, which could be sprinkles. You've got some sprinkles in your kit. Or you could use the bag to give him a cute little bobtail. There we go. If you want to put sprinkles on, make sure you do it when the icing is wet. So you would put the sprinkles on now. You might want to put them just around. You could do the front of a bunny. I'm just going to do the back today. So you could put sprinkles here. Again, so I'm going to leave those three shapes. And then I've got my 2 eggs. I'm going to, first of all, do one completely yellow because I want to do a very cute chick sort of shape. So I'll do this one yellow. If you haven't cut the bag tip enough, let's give it an extra little cut. You'll soon know if it's coming out enough. There we go. So this one I'm going to just do wholly yellow. And then my other one, I think I'm probably going to do maybe a spotty egg, or could do a spotty egg, or I could do one with feathering. That always looks really cute. Might do some feathering today. There we go. As I said, I'm going to leave that one. That should settle down. And I think I'll go for a white egg. And then do some feathering in the pink and the yellow. So again, just squeezing it when you're doing the inside, just squeeze that bag a little bit harder. It should flow out. You need to move the icing around. Clean that cocktail stick, push it out to where you're happy with it. Now, feathering looks awesome. So make sure you've got a clean tip on the bag. What you're going to do is you're going to do some lines going across. There we go. Then I'm going to use the other colour as well. Don't have to do this. You could do dots and spots, you could add sprinkles, you could write a name on it. It looks very cute like that, but just to show you what happens when you feather it, just wait for it to come back into focus. Oh, it's up there. I might bring it up close. So what I'm going to do with the cocktail stick, I'm going to start in the bottom, and I'm going to draw it up to the top of the egg. Then I'll clean the cocktail stick. Then I was going to do a line going down, and that's your feathering. You don't have to do it over the whole egg. You could do it over some of the egg. It's just a really cute little technique. Ever so simple, but very effective. Now, what I'm going to do with all of my biscuits is I'm going to leave them to dry. I'm going to speed up that process in my dehydrator, but you might have an oven, 50 degrees, or you could just simply leave them. Then I'm going to add some detail to them.